Hello, I'm your host, the Chicken Man with Texas Precision Poultry. Here at TPP, we use a deep mulching system in the garden. There are a few things we have to do in order to direct sow seeds, so let's find out what they are. First of all, we have to pull back the mulch. Seeds do not germinate well in mulch and favor soil. We also have a large population of pill bugs living under the mulch that sometimes eat some of the seeds. Pulling back the mulch helps with this. We can never pull back all the mulch, so we make a simple furrow and fill it in with sifted compost, so seeds have the best start possible. After sowing, always water generously to start the germination cycle. After seeds start to sprout, slowly start moving mulch back till it surrounds the plant. That wraps up how we direct sow seeds at TPP. We have just now started planning for the fall garden, so make sure and stay tuned for updates. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section, and don't forget to check out our social media accounts. Links are in the description below. Like the video and subscribe. I've been the Chicken Man with Texas Precision Poultry. For now, I bid you farewell and encourage all to keep your hens happy and healthy.